Hey, third grade. These are the directions for your growth mindset, the incredible power of yet activity. When you log into Seesaw, you will see this activity here with your Class Dojo monsters on the side. You can watch the link to hear about a story of the monsters and how they needed to have a growth mindset. Tap the Add Response button. Write a note and tell us something you can't do yet, then tell your steps of accomplishing that thing. It doesn't have to be from school. There might be something in sports, at home, or in scouting that you can't do yet. When you are done, tap the microphone to share what you wrote, and finally tap the green check to submit your assignment. So I'm going to show you what it looks like as a sample student. So when you open your slide, you're going to see my example. So in my example, I wrote, one thing I cannot do yet is that I cannot control my new puppy. She eats socks, shreds paper, and tries to bite my feet. So 3 things I can do to get there are give her treats when she does listen, take her on walks so she uses up some of her energy, and make sure I don't leave things around the house and give her toys to play with instead. So that is my example. Then what you're going to do is you are going to click on this link, and that's going to bring you to the next page, and this is your turn. This is where you will go ahead and write. So on this page, you're going to select the text, and you're going to write one thing you cannot do yet. So let's say I cannot, I cannot do multiplication. So let's say I choose that as my thing that I cannot do yet. So then I'm going to go ahead and choose another text box, and I'm going to move this one over here, and I can write 3 steps. So I might put 1, I can practice at home. 2, I can pay attention when my teacher teaches us about it. And my third step can be to ask for help when I am stuck. So then I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I want to move my writing over to the left side, and then I'm also going to make that one green. And I'm going to come over here to this one and make this one red just to match. Of course, you can decorate it however you would like. And those are the examples that you can follow. And when you are completely done, you're going to come over to the microphone and record what you have written to share it with me. And then go ahead and click the green check. Once you've hit the green check, I can see that as a sample student, I have replied to this activity, and you are done. Let me know if you need some help.